Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Are you all
Good
fine?
morning. Yes, sir, and you?
I am
Yes,
also
sir.
fine. So let's move forward. We have to do some remaining question from the same chapter of construction. We completed these questions last week. Construct the octagon inside circle of radius 4 centimeter using compass. Similarly, construct rectangle with one side 3 centimeter and diagonal 5 centimeter. Next question, construct rectangle with diagonal 6 centimeter and angle between them 60 degree. These questions we already completed. So today we are going to do these remaining 4 questions which I have included here for you. Construct a rectangle ABCD where BC is equal to 5 centimeter, BD is equal to 10 centimeter and angle CBD is equal to 60 degree. This question we are going to do at first. Construct a rectangle ABCD where BC is equal to 5 centimeter, BD is equal to 10 centimeter and angle CBD 60 degree. I repeated the question again. So let us draw its rough figure at first. It is said to construct a rectangle ABCD. Let this is the rectangle which is said to construct us. हामीलाई construct गर्न भनेको यो rectangle हो भन्ने हामीले एउटा इमेजिन गर्नु पर्यो or we have to say let it be rectangle ABCD. Okay, let this is point A, this one is point B, this one is point C, and it is point D. Just this is our rough figure only. And what are the lengths given to us? BC. This one BC is 5 centimeter. Length of BC given to us is 5 centimeter. Length of BD is given. Next one given to us is BD. Your length दिएको छ diagonal BD which is 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter and angle CBD. Angle CBD is equal to 60 degree. This angle given to us is 60 degree. यहाँनिरको angle यो angle हामीलाई 60 degree भनेर भनेको छ. So these things are given to us. So to draw it, in place of drawing it in this way, ABCD यहाँबाट draw गर्नुभन्दा BC लाई base बनाउँदा सजिलो हुने भयो. It will be easier if this BC is base. Let me erase it and show you how it will be better. यो यसरी सजिलो होला किन BC दिएको छ. Length of BC is given to us, B as well as this is point C. And next one given to us is BD. यो BD को length दिएको छ 10 centimeter and this angle is 60 degree. यो angle 60 degree को दिएको छ. So it will be better to draw BC at first, then BD, and all angles of rectangle are 90 degree. All of you know it. यो सबै angle 90 degree हुन्छ भन्ने थाहा छ. And this is given to us 60 degree. यो 60 degree दिएको छ भने 60 degree draw गर्नु पर्यो. And it is 10 centimeter. Diagonal BD is 10 centimeter. Base BC it is 5 centimeter. These things are given to us. अब यसरी figure draw गर्नु पर्यो by taking BC as base and the diagonal 10 centimeter, other angles 90 degree. So it is clear how we have to draw it. So let's move to its drawing. Thus this was the rough figure. This is our, let me write here, it is our rough figure. Okay, by using this rough figure we are going to draw other parts of this rectangle, or we are going to construct this rectangle. Here it will be A. अब लगभग यस्तै फिगर हाम्रो आउने हो. A bit different, अलिक फरक हुन सक्छ, otherwise it will be similar to it. Okay, let's start it here. Take scale and draw line segment BC of length 5 centimeter exactly. Okay, After drawing it, we know that angles of rectangle are 90 degree. Rectangle को angle 90 degree हुन्छ भनेपछि एउटा एन्डमा यतापट्टि 90 degree को angle draw गर्नु पर्यो. After drawing a line segment BC of length 5 centimeter, now we are drawing angle of 90 degree at one end of this BC line segment. यसको एउटा एन्डमा अब हामी 90 degree को एंगल बनाउँदैछौँ. First draw 60 degree, then draw 120 degree, and bisector of 60 as well as 120 is 90 degree. So we have to cut arcs upward from 60 as well as from 120 to get 90 degree. Okay, now draw the line segment. This is the line segment which represents 90 degree at point C. Point C मा 90 degree represent गर्ने यो line segment हामीले draw गर्यौं. Now another thing is length of BD. Length of diagonal BD is 10 centimeter. So take your scale and get the arc of 10 centimeter in your compass. Compass मा 10 centimeter को arc लिनु पर्यो. It is shorter. Okay. Oh. Saying not possible by using this compass. It can measure up to 9 centimeter only. Okay, so let us rotate scale only for drawing now in our screen. यहाँबाट कम्पासलाई स्केललाई नै रोटेट गरौँ त 10 centimeter. This one is the shorter. यो short भयो. Let me erase this upper portions. Okay, so produce this one a bit more longer. यसलाई लामो बनाउनु पर्यो. किन लामो बनाउनु पर्यो भन्दा 10 centimeter माथिसम्म पुगिरहेछ. So hold your scale. I am drawing by using scale only because this compass is not working. Are you observing the screen?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, this represents the 10 centimeter. यहाँनिर यसले 10 centimeter represent गर्यो. So to draw it, use compass in your copy. And now join the line from here, from B to this is the point D. Up to now we constructed triangle BCD only, but we have to construct the rectangle. हामीले construct गर्नुपर्ने rectangle. So for it, again take your compass and get the measurement if possible. यो यहाँदेखि यहाँ नाप्न possible छ भने नाप ठिक्क. यो point D मा हुने गरी, because opposite sides of rectangle are equal to each other. यसको opposite हुने जुन यो side छ यहाँतिरको यसको length पनि कति नै हुन्छ त जति CD को length छ. Okay, it will be equal to CD. राइट तिर भएको साइड CD र लेफ्ट तिर भएको साइड AB को लेन्थ इक्वल हुन्छ. सिमिलरली साइड अपोजिट टु BC विल बी 5 सेन्टिमिटर ओन्ली. यसको अपोजिटमा भएको साइड 5 सेन्टिमिटर को हुन्छ एक्ज्याक्टली. सो वी हैव टु ड्रा इट 5 सेन्टिमिटर फ्रम point D. This is 5 centimeter which we have taken from the D. And after this, join these points from here as well as from B also. B र D बाट join गरेपछि यो point A आयो. This is the point A which we obtain after drawing arc of 5 centimeter to left side from D and arc equal to CD from B. CD सँग equal arc हुने गरी B बाट काट्यौं र BC सँग equal arc हुने गरी D बाट काट्यौं. In this way we got rectangle ABCD. So what we obtain here?
Rectangle
A rectangle. What is the name of rectangle?
ABCD.
ABCD is constructed. This much we have to write at last. Rectangle ABCD is constructed. So this is question number 9 or 8?
8.
Question number 8. So we solved the question in which it is said to draw a rectangle in which BC is 5 centimeter, BD is 10 centimeter, and angle 60 degree given to us, but we did not use that. The use गरेनौँ यहाँ 90 degree draw गरेर बनिहाल्यो. That was not necessary to draw here 60 degree. If we will measure, we will get 60 degree. यो एंगल नाप्यो भने यहाँनिर 60 degree कै एंगल आउने हो. ओके, विदाउट ड्रइङ अल्सो 60 degree हामीले ड्र गरेको त होइन, तर 60 degree नै आयो. It was given in question. So after this, let's move to next question. Question number 9. Look at question again. Construct a rectangle PQRS where QS is equal to PR is equal to 7 centimeter and angle ROS is equal to 45 degree, where O is the point of intersection of PS and QR. एउटा रेक्टेंगल PQRS कंस्ट्रक्ट गर्नुपर्ने जसमा QS इक्वल टु PR इक्वल टु 7 सेन्टिमिटर दिएको छ एन्ड एंगल ROS इज 45 डिग्री. एन्ड व्हाट इज O? यहाँ त PQRS मा त O छैन. O is the point of intersection of PS and QR, means diagonals. So let me draw one rough figure again for you. कस्तो रेक्टेंगल भयो यस्तो PQRS in which QS as well as PR two are given to us, PS as well as QR. That means diagonals are given to us. एउटा यो diagonal र अर्को यो diagonal. यो दुईटा diagonalहरु दिएको छ. These two diagonals are given to us and point of intersection of these two diagonals is O. This point is O and name of rectangle is P. This is Q. This one is R. This one is S. This question is similar to the question which we did on Friday. Friday एउटा question गरेका थियौं in which there was a rectangle in length of diagonal was given. Length of diagonal दिएको थियो र त्यसमा angle between the diagonals पनि दिएको थियो. So it is similar question to that. QS as well as PR both are equal to 7 centimeter. Angle ROS, this angle is 45 degree. यहाँनिरको यो angle 45 degree छ भनेछ. And where O is the intersection of P and QR. This I already said, this point is the point of intersection of QS and OR. And this angle is 45 degree. So at first we have to draw one side PR, then QS. After that draw angle of 45 degree to get QS. PR draw गरिसकेर मिड पोइन्टमा 45 degree को एंगल बनाउनु पर्ने हो. Okay. As I already said, similar question we did last day on Friday. त्यहाँनिर angle 60 degree थियो, आज angle 45 degree छ. Let me show the same question to you. This one, question number 7. Construct a rectangle with diagonal 6 centimeter and angle between them is 60 degree. And new question which I said just now, 9 number. Two sides are given, QS and PR. Those are diagonals and ROS is 45 degree, means angle between them is 45 degree. So process of 7 number as well as 9 number, these both are same. दुईटैलाई एउटै procedure हुन्छ. Only while drawing angle of 45 degree the process is different. Other process is same for both questions. So look at this question in our new window. At first, draw line segment whose length is 7 centimeter because the diagonal QS as well as PR given to us are 7 cm. QS र PR दुईटैको length 7 cm भनेर क्वेशनले भनेको छ. So at first draw a line segment. We can give name of that line segment QS or PR, anyone. यो QS र PR मध्ये जुनसुकै एउटा नाम दिए पनि हुन्छ. And then find out the midpoint of that side. Okay, take a line segment of length 7 cm, and after drawing a line segment of length 7 cm, give the name to it as given in question. Let it be QS. एउटा diagonal QS हो भन्ने बुझ्नु पर्यो. And find out the midpoint of it now. यसको midpoint find out गर. So for finding midpoint, we know the process. Draw arc upward as well as draw same arc downward also, and draw same arc from opposite end also. Opposite अर्को end Q बाट पनि त्यही arc draw गर्नुपर्ने हो, up as well as down. Now remove this compass and draw a line segment. Let me draw it from here. Actually we need dotted line. Dotted line चाहिए, so let us use the scale. Draw this dotted line. This gives us perpendicular bisector of QS as well as perpendicular means it gives us angle of 90 degree to QS. QS मा 90 degree को angle पनि बन्यो, and this is the bisector of QS also. यसले यो point ले QS लाई bisect गर्छ, and it is said that point of intersection of PR and QS is O. So this point is O. यही point लाई O भनेको हो, जुन point of intersection PR र QS को छ. And now angle between two diagonals ROS, angle ROS is 45 degree. So take your compass to draw angle of 45 degree. जुन यो center point छ O, त्यहाँबाट 45 degree को angle draw गर्नुपर्ने हो. And already we have angle of 90 degree. 90 degree को angle यो already छँदैछ. So we can get the bisector of it. 90 र 0 को bisector लियो भने exactly it will be 45 degree. Okay, so we have to draw this angle. Did you got it? यो 90 degree को vertical line अनि 0 degree को horizontal line दुईटैको bisector काटेर 45 degree को angle बनायो. And it is needed to us, यो line हामीलाई चाहिएको छ, यहाँबाट 45 degree को angle O भएर यसै draw गर. Draw a line segment through O. And after drawing it, now to make another diagonal also equal to QS, PR diagonal as well as QS both are equal to each other. So to make it 7 cm, take arc of 3 cm upward. It is already 3 cm which we have taken previously. अब तल पनि 3 cm काट्नु पर्यो. We have to cut it here also. Is this clear? माथि 3 cm को 3.5 cm, out half of the 7, 3.5, 3.5, and it is also 3.5. We have taken 3.5 to downward also. Now join the line segments. यो points हरुलाई यसरी join गरिदिनु पर्यो. Then we will get the rectangle. This is the rectangle obtained, and name of the rectangle is PQRS. So let us give the name. Let it be P. P यहाँ लेखे पनि हुन्छ है. This another diagonal is PR, and so this point is R. P तल भयो भने यहाँ R हुने हो. So PQRS, rectangle PQRS is constructed. This is the solution of 9 number. What we have to write at last?
Rectangle.
Therefore, rectangle PQRS is constructed in this way. Solution of our question number 9 is completed. Do you have any confusion in it? If there is any confusion, you may tell it to me. So let's move to next question if there is no confusion. Question number 10. Construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB is 5 centimeter, AD is 4.3 and angle BAD is 60 degree. So let me draw it here. AB 5 centimeter, AD 4.3, angle BAD. This angle is 60 degree. Okay, this much is given to us. AB 5 centimeter. It is given. BD, sorry, AD 4.3 centimeter and angle BAD. This is point B. This one is A and this upper one is D. It is 60 degree. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides means AB is the opposite side of CD. So we have to draw line segment equal to AB here. यहाँ पण त्यति नै लेन्थ भएको लाइन अर्को ड्रा गर्नुपर्ने from here. That is 5 centimeter. And similarly 4.3 centimeter from B. B बाट फेरि यसरी यो 4.3 centimeter को ड्रा गर्नु पर्यो line segment. And this will be the point C. Okay. So this is our rough figure. In same way we have to draw a construction. यसको construction गर्दा ये procedure follow गर्नुपर्ने हो. We have to take a line segment 5 centimeter and then 60 degree, 4.3 centimeter, 4.3 here, 5 here also. So look at its actual drawing now. Take line segment of length 5 centimeter whose name is AB. This is the solution of question number 10. Okay. Take line segment of length 5 centimeter and name of this line segment is AB. A. This one is B. And angle BAD is 60 degree. So now take compass and draw angle of 60 degree. Take arc and draw angle of 60 degree. And this is the angle of 60 degree. Use 60 degree को angle बने. Now what is the length of AD? Please check the question. What is the length of AD? This is 5 centimeter. And what is the length of AD? Forget. It was 4 centimeter. 4.3, sorry. 4.3 थियो. So we have to take arc of 4.3 in it. Scale मा 4.3 को arc लिनु पर्यो. 4.3 centimeter. Is this clear? देखिएको छ स्क्रिनमा 4.3 centimeter I have taken in compass from the scale and cut it upward from A. Point A बाट माथि काट्नु पर्यो. So this is 4.3 centimeter. Now we have to take equal arcs to opposite ends also. 4.3 यतापट्टिबाट पनि लिनु पर्यो point B बाट, and 5 centimeter from the point D. यो 5 centimeter को आर्क थियो. यही आर्क हामीले कहाँबाट काट्नु पर्ने हो त? From here. So I think time is going to off. If it will off, all of you complete this question yourself.